Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super helpful for anyone dealing with international finances. How to transfer money from your PayPal account to a non-US bank account in 2025. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or handling freelance payments, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. This usually means linking a bank account or credit card and confirming your identity, which is essential for international transfers to avoid any hiccups. Once that's sorted, log into your PayPal account on the website or app. Step 1. Head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your balance and options for managing funds. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw button. That's your gateway to moving cash out. Step 2. Select Link a Bank if your non-US bank isn't already connected. PayPal supports many international banks, but you might need to enter details like your bank's SWIFT code, account number, and the recipient's information. Remember, for 2025, PayPal has updated its interface to make this easier, so double-check for any new prompts related to currency conversion or security. Step 3. Choose the amount you want to transfer and select your destination bank. Be aware of potential fees. These can vary based on the country and currency exchange rates. PayPal often uses the current exchange rate, but it's smart to check for any additional charges from your bank. Step 4. Review and confirm the transfer. You'll get a summary of the details, including the estimated arrival time, which could take 1 to 5 business days depending on the banks involved. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication for security, especially with international transactions. And if you're dealing with different currencies, keep an eye on exchange rates to get the best deal. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to a non-US bank account in 2025 is simpler than you might think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.